will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking here for Lemon8 app. Or just click on search. Then here add Lemon8. It's go so it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list interior. Click here on full stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.